Take a few deep breaths to center yourself. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling through the nose. Bring to mind a thought, emotion, or situation that you are struggling to let go of. Visualize this thought or emotion as an object, perhaps a leaf, balloon, or cloud. Imagine yourself holding this object lightly in your hands. Acknowledge its presence. Gently release it, watching it float away. Use positive affirmations to support your practice. Maybe say to yourself, I accept things as they are. I release what I cannot control. I let go with peace and grace.